Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in our last video, we covered about creating a fantasy Premier League account. And today I'm going to show you how to join leagues and play with friends. So first, you need to open the Premier League application on your device. Click on the fantasy tab from the bottom, which is between latest and season. Then click on join leagues option. Here you'll get two ways to join a league. The first one is private or invitational. If you have an invitation code, enter it right here to join a specific league. If the league is public, switch to the public tab. This option allows you to join either a classic or a head-to-head league. To join a classic league, simply click on classic. And to join the head-to-head league, switch to the head-to-head tag and then click on join a league. And you'll be automatically added. Then after, if you're using the website, open your website, go to fantasy.premierleague.com, go to Leagues and Cups, click on join a league option. Here you'll get two different options, like in the app, which is join invitational league or the private league, and then join a public league. Select any one of it and then follow the on-screen instructions like in the app to join a league. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.